Hey guys, I'm going to do a video on how to make my cat in a tuxedo. Everyone loved that one video I made drawing a cat in a tuxedo, and thanks for all the views on that. But if you want to learn how to draw it, just get any marker. I have this. It just makes it look more cool in my opinion. Don't do the cat equals cute on the top. So first, we're going to draw this. 2 ears. Then I'm going to draw a U-like shape underneath, like that. Then we're going to draw 3 dots on the side. Don't make them too big. You're gonna need to draw the rest of the face. 3 dots. Okay. Then from those dots, you're gonna make the lines long. You're gonna draw lines going from those dots. Then you're gonna draw a triangle with. I'm just gonna draw the little mouth. If you know how to draw one of those, you just draw a little triangle into like a W coming out of it. Then you're going to draw 2 eyes. You should know how to draw the eyes. It's just 2 dots. And if you want, you don't have to. You can draw little things in the eye, in the ears, not the eyes. Then you're going to draw a U-like thing on the body. Gonna fix it up a bit. Yeah, you're done the body. You're gonna draw a triangle like that, so it looks like a V-neck. Doing a V-neck. Then you're going to add a line in that. This is going to be for the tie if you want to draw the tie. The line. And the tie is just one line coming out, like those 2 coming out. And then you just draw a bottom line. Then you can color it in. Boom, the tie. And if you want, you can draw a little pocket on the side. Your choice. So you have a little pocket on the side. If you have another way to draw little legs, I just draw that, little nubs. With the 2, and then 2 coming out. And 2 coming out. Like that. I also like drawing a little thing on the side. Decorations on the side. Dot, curved line, dot, curved line, dot, curved line, dot, curved line. Yeah. It's like little frowny faces, but I really like it because it looks really cool. This is what it turns out to look like. If you want to draw the tail, I'm kind of bad at drawing the tails. You can just draw a little curved line. If you don't want to draw the tail, you don't have to. And yeah, cat. I like drawing a little sun in the corner. And bye. Thanks for watching.